Donald Trump withdraws from the World Health Organization and Paris Climate Agreement. United States 47th President Donald Trump, hours after taking the oath, signed a series of shocking and controversial executive actions. According to BBC, Trump, right after taking office on Monday, January 20, 2025, for the second time issued a pardon to more than 1,500 U.S. Capitol rioters. He also commuted the sentences of 14 members of the Proud Boys and Oath Keepers, two far-right groups convicted of seditious conspiracy. During the signing ceremony in the Oval Office, Trump displayed the list of the names of the rioters who were receiving the pardon and said, quote-unquote, "These are the hostages, approximately 1,500 for a pardon, a full pardon. This is a big one. These people have been destroyed. What they've done to these people is outrageous. There's rarely been anything like it in the history of our country." Moreover, the 78-year-old once again withdrew from the World Health Organization and also from the Paris Climate Agreement. As per the executive order, the organization's mishandling of the COVID-19 pandemic that arose out of Wuhan, China, and other global health crises, its failure to adopt urgently needed reforms, and its inability to demonstrate independence from the inappropriate political influence of World Health Organization member states. Notably, Trump has long been critical of the United Nations World Health Organization, and during his first administration, he withdrew from the organization during the spread of the pandemic in July 2020.